Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on snacks with Trader Joe's, full guide step by step clearly. The first step is to familiarize yourself with the store layout. Trader Joe's typically arranges its snacks in a specific section. Spending a few minutes exploring will help you locate your favorites quickly. Next, make a list of your go-to snacks. Stick to this list to avoid impulse purchases. Now, check out the Trader Joe's Fearless Flyer. This monthly publication highlights new products and special deals. Look for snacks that are on sale or offered at seasonal discounts. Consider choosing snacks from the Trader Joe's private label. These products often provide better value compared to national brands. Buying in bulk can help you save on larger quantities of your favorite snacks. Look for seasonal items that may be available only for a limited time. These unique snacks can be a great value and add fun variety. Always read the ingredient list and serving sizes. This ensures you're getting quality snacks without unnecessary additives. Next, take advantage of special promotions. Trader Joe's often runs combos or multi-buys that can save you money. Consider joining a local Trader Joe's community group online. These groups often share exclusive deals, new product alerts, and reviews. Lastly, pay attention to expiration dates for the best deals. Items nearing their shelf life may be marked down significantly. By following these steps, you can enjoy a variety of snacks without breaking the bank. Happy snacking! If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.